Dear students, today I am going to explain one more question. At plus 2 accountancy, one more question. It's a revision question paper. I want to give 20 questions to you all. Entire 10 chapter is taken into consideration and you have to study this 20 question today's class. 20 question. In your examination, 4 answers are given. Out of 4, you have to select one question. But today, I just give the question and give the answer. Okay, 20 question. You refer this question and all the questions are taken from the back side of the textbook. So please refer the textbook. I want to give 20 questions today. Tomorrow I will give 20 questions from commerce. Next class I will give the 2 more question, then 3 more question. Likewise, we have to revise all the portions one by one. Already I sent one video to you all. I already sent one question, one revision question. It is a third question. I hope I select some question and selected question, the important question I want to explain. Then question number 1. Incomplete records are generally maintained by incomplete records are generally maintained by, here on dash, 4 options are given in the question, but you try to write the answer. Incomplete records are generally maintained by small sized sole trader business. Once again, totally I want to explain in this video, I want to explain only 20 questions. Incomplete records are generally maintained by 4 answers are given in our textbook, given in our question paper. Out of 4, you will select one correct answer. Small size sole trading business. Already we studied this question. I just revise this portion, that's all. Incomplete records are generally maintained by small size sole trading business. Question number 2. Question number 2. Opening balance of debtors. Opening balance of debtors rupees 30,000. Cash received from debtors. Cash received from debtors 1 lakh. Credit sales 90,000. Calculate closing balance of debtors. Closing balance of debtors. We have to calculate. Here 4 options are given. Out of 4 options, you have to select the correct answer. How do you calculate the closing capital of debtors? 4 options are given, but here I want to explain it. This is the debtors account. This side is debit side, this side is credit side. Opening debtors 30,000 is entered here. Credit sales is also entered here. Cash received from debtors is entered here. We have to calculate. Here the total is 1,20,000. Same 1,20,000 is comes here. 1,20,000 minus 1 lakh is equal to 20,000. This 20,000 is the answer. Opening debtors, cash received from debtors, credit side. These 2 items comes in the debit side. So total is 1,20,000. 1,20,000 minus 1 lakh is equal to 20,000. So the answer is 20,000. The options are given. Out of the given answer, we will select the correct answer. Okay. Opening debtors, cash received, credit sales. These three informations are given. With the help of these three information, we will calculate closing balance of debtors. Then, question number 3. Question number 3. Receipts and payment account. Receipt and payment account is dash account. It is a real account. Receipts and payment account is the real account. We all know. So I go to the next question. Question number 4. There are 500 members in the club. 500 members in a club. Each member is paying rupees 100. Each member is paying rupees 100. Subscription due but not received. Subscription due but not received is rupees 200. Subscription received in advance 300. How much amount of subscription is shown in the income and expenditure account? Income and expenditure account. How much amount of subscription entered in the income and expenditure account? That is a question. This question is somewhat large, so I want to explain this question. There are 500 members in a club. Each member is paying rupees 100. Subscription due but not received rupees 200. Received in advance is 300. How much amount of subscription amount shown in the income and expenditure account? That is the question. So, how do you? Here 4 answers are given. Out of 4 answers, we will select the correct answer. There are 500 members. The 500 members, each member is paying 100 rupees. So the subscription shown in the income and expenditure account is equal to 500 into 100 is equal to 50,000. That's all. So the answer is 50,000. Very simple question. 4 options are given. Out of 4 options, we will enter the correct answer. Here, how do you get the answer? 500 members. Each member is paying 100 rupees. Totally 50,000 rupees. So 4 questions are completed. Then, 5th question. In the absence of partnership deed, profit of the firm will be shared by the partners in dash ratio. That is a question. If there is, in the absence, question number 5. In the absence of partnership deed, the partners share profit in which ratio? That's a question. In the absence of partnership deed, partners share profit in which ratio? The answer is equal ratio. The answer is equal ratio. Then question number 6. We all studied this question. Once I just revised the portion. That's why please refer the previous one-word question. Or you'll study all the one-word question which is given the back side of the textbook. Then profit of the firm is rupees 10,500. Profit of the firm is rupees 10,500. After charging interest on drawing and interest on capital and remuneration. After charging interest on capital Interest on drawings, partners remuneration. One minute question, please listen here. This question is given the back side of the question textbook. The answer is given, so we can easily find out the answer, no problem. Then the profit of the business, profit of the partnership firm is 10,500 after charging interest on capital, interest on drawing, partners remuneration. 5%, the partners are entitled to get a commission. The partners are entitled to get a commission of 5%. 5% of profit after charging such commission. Once again, this is a problem. One partnership firm earned a profit of rupees 10,500 after charging interest on capital, interest on drawing, partners remuneration. Commission is 5% of profit after charging such commission. Then after charging such commission, very very important word, after charging 5%. So how do you calculate? 5 divided by 105 into 10,500. That is a procedure. 5, normally 5% calculated, 5 divided by 100. But the word after charging is given 5 divided by 105 into profit 10,500. So we can write in this way 500. So the answer is 500. Okay, so 6 questions are completed. Then 7th question, whether the following statement are true or false. 7th question, true or false. The statement is goodwill is an intangible asset. Goodwill is an intangible asset. Right? Whether it is true or false, the answer is true. Then question number 8. Question number 8. Total capitalized value. Capitalized value of business. Capitalized value of business is rupees 1 lakh. Then assets value is 1,50,000. Then liability value is, liabilities value is 80,000. What is the value of goodwill? Calculate the value of goodwill. The goodwill is equal to, how do you calculate the answer? Here the 4 answers are given. Out of 4 you will select the correct answer. That's all. The answer is given in the question itself. How do you calculate this? Total capitalized value. Total capitalized value minus actual capital employed. Actual capital employed. So goodwill is equal to total capitalized value minus actual capital employed. Total capitalized value is given in the question 1 lakh minus actual capital employed. How do you calculate the capital employed? Capital employed is equal to asset minus liability. Asset minus liability is equal to 70,000. It is capital employed. Capital employed is equal to asset minus liability. 1,50,000 minus 80,000 is equal to 70,000. So value of goodwill is equal to 1 lakh minus 70,000 is equal to 30,000. So the answer for this question is 30,000 rupees. 30,000 is the answer. So 8 question completed. Then I want to explain the 9th question. I want to explain 20 question in this question paper. Uh, Question number 9. Revaluation account. Receipt and payment. I repeat what we studied the previous question. Receipt and payment account is the real account. Revaluation account. Revaluation account is dash account. Revaluation account is the nominal account. Question number 9 is also completed. Then question number 10. There are 3 partners. Question number 10. 3 partners, Balaji and Kamalesh. Balaji and Kamalesh are partners sharing profit in the ratio of 2:1. A new partner, Yogesh, is admitted. After the admission of Yogesh, the new ratio of Balaji, Kamalesh, Yogesh is equal to 3:1:1. The calculate sacrificing ratio. Once I explain the question, Balaji and Kamalesh are partners sharing profit in the ratio 2:1. Yogesh, a new partner, is admitted. His new ratio of Balaji, Kamalesh, Yogesh is equal to 3:1:1. Calculate the sacrificing ratio. How do you calculate the sacrificing ratio? Sacrificing ratio is equal to old ratio minus new ratio. Old ratio of Balaji is equal to 2/3 minus new ratio is equal to 3/5. Then second partner Kamalesh is equal to old ratio is equal to 1/3 minus 1/5. So we have to simplify 15. 5 2s are 10 minus 9. Then here also 15. 5 minus 3. So the ratio is equal to 1/15, 2/15. It can be written as 1:2. So the answer of this sacrificing ratio is equal to 1:2. It is given the question itself. The answer is given the question itself. You will select the correct answer 1:2. 1:2 is the answer. Question number 10. The answer is 1:2. Once again, I explained Balaji and Kamalesh. There are 2 partners. They share profit and losses in the ratio 2:1. Yogesh, a new partner, is admitted. The new ratio of Balaji is to Kamalesh is to Yogesh is equal to 3:1:1. New ratio, calculate the sacrificing ratio. New ratio is equal to old ratio minus new ratio. Balaji's old ratio is equal to 3/5 minus new ratio is equal to 3/5. Then Kamalesh's old ratio is equal to 1/3. New ratio is equal to 1/5. So we have to simplify it. We will get 1:2. This is the answer. Then question number 11. Question number 11. A partner retired from the business on 30th June. A partner retires from the firm on 30th June. He is liable for the activities. The A is the partner who retires on 30th June. Then he is liable for all the activities of the firm up to the date of retirement. The answer is up to the date of retirement. Then sometimes this question may be asked in the death question also. This question may be asked. A partner who died on, out of it, they were given as died on, a partner who died on 30th June. So, he is liable for the business up to the date of death. Up to the date of death. Up to the date of retirement or up to the date of death. Normally, the partner is retired on the last date of the year, but the date of death you are not able to calculate, so he is liable up to the date of death is the answer. Then, question number 12. Dear students, already this is the third revision question I want to explain. Already I sent 2 videos to you all. You please refer the previous question paper. Everything is in the YouTube channel. You just refer the previous 2 sets of question. This is the third set of question I explained. You refer the previous 2 sets of question. Then question number 12. X, Y and Z are partners sharing profit and losses equally. There are 3 partners, X, Y, Z, they share profit and losses equally. Then they share profit and losses equally. Then X died, the partner X died on 1st April 2019. He died on 1st April 2019. Find out the share of profit. Find out the share of profit. The profit for the last year, that means the profit for the year 2018 is rupees 36,000. There are 3 partners, X, Y and Z. There are three partners, X, Y, Z. They share profit and losses equally. X died on 1st April 2019. Find out the share of profit up to the date of 1st April 2019. So, the profit is calculated on the basis of the previous year. So, previous year profit is 36,000. So, 36,000 is the 1 year profit, but the partner is alive only for 3 months. So, 3 months profit is calculated. So, 1 12 is 12, 3 12s are 36. So, 3 3s are 9,000 rupees is the share of profit of the partnership firm. Out of the share, this 9,000 rupees is divided by 3. There are 3 partners, they share profit and losses equal. So, the profit of the business is rupees 3,000. This is a question. This is the answer, 3,000 rupees. Once again, X, Y, Z are partners sharing profit equally. X died on 1st April 2019. Find out the share of profit of X. The profit is calculated on the basis of previous year's profit. In the year 2018, they earned a profit of 36,000. The 1 year profit is 36,000. So, 3 months profit is equal to 9,000. Out of 9,000, only 1/3 portion comes to the hands of the deceased partner. So, that 9,000 divided by 3 is equal to 3,000. Okay, then next question, question number 14. Question number 13, 12 is completed. Then we study question number 13. Preferential share. Preferential share, which carry the preferential right to get dividend, to get capital during winding up. Here, the 4 answers are given. out of 4 answer, which one is the correct answer? Both answers are correct. Question number 1, the statement preferential shares have the preferential right to get the dividend first. The preferential shareholders to get the capital amount during the binding up period. These 2 answers are correct. So answer is both 1 and 2 are correct. This is the answer. 4 options are given. Out of 4 options, this option is correct. Both 1 and 2 are correct. Then question number 14. Supreme Limited forfeited Supreme Limited forfeited 100 share of rupees 10 each. Supreme Limited forfeited 100 shares of rupees 10 each for the non-payment of final call. 100 each for non-payment of final call, rupees 2. Then these forfeited shares were reissued. These forfeited shares were reissued at the rate of rupees 9 per share. How much amount is transferred to capital reserve account? How much amount is transferred to capital reserve account? That is the question. So total forfeited amount is 100 into 2. 100 into 2 is not received. So 8 rupees is received. So 800 rupees is in the share forfeited amount. Then reissued amount is rupees 1 rupees is a loss. The cost of 1 share is rupees 10, but it is reissued at rupees 9. So 100 rupees. So amount transferred to share capital reserve is rupees 700. Once again explain, Supreme Limited forfeited 100 shares of rupees 10 each for non-payment of final call of rupees 2. So 8 rupees is received. This amount is not refunded. This amount is transferred to capital reserve. So the question is, how much amount is transferred to capital reserve account? So the capital reserve amount is, the share forfeiture amount is rupees 800. The reissue amount is 1 rupees, we face a loss. So 1 into 100 is 100. So answer for this question is rupees 700. 4 options are given. Out of 4 options, rupees 700 is the answer. Then question number 15. Question number 15. Write this statement is true or false. You write true or false. Trend analysis refers to the study of movements of figures for 1 year. This statement is true or false. Actually, the 4 option is given. Out of 4 options, we will write the correct option. 3 other additional points are given. So this point is the correct answer. Trend analysis refers to the study of movement of figures for 1 year. This statement is true. Then question number 16. Question number 16. Expenses of the business for the first year. Expenses for the business for the first year is rupees 80,000. Then in the second year it increased. In the second year the expenses increase expenses increased to 88,000. Expenses for the first year is 80,000. Expenses for the second year is 88,000. Increased value is 88,000. But not the expenses for the second year. Increase of expenses for the second year is 88,000. What is the trend percentage? Trend percentage for the second year. The answer is 80,000, 88,000 into 100. That is the answer. If you correct it, if you complete it, we will get the answer. We can cut these 2 zeros and these 2 zeros. These 2 zeros and these 2 zeros can be cut. 110%. Expenses for the first year is rupees 80,000. Increase of expenses, not the expenses of second year, increase of expenses for the second year is 88,000. Calculated trend percentage. Trend percentage for the second year is equal to 88,000 divided by 80,000 into 100. We will get 110. Then question number 17. The mathematical expression that provides the measure of relationship in two figures is called a dash. The mathematical expression that provides a measure of relationship between two figures is called, here 4 options are given, ratio is the answer. Then the mathematical expression that provides the measure of relationship in two figures is called ratio. This question is asked for 2 more questions also. What is ratio or define ratio? You simply write this question. The mathematical expression that provides the measure of relationship between two figures is called ratio. Then 3 more questions. Question number 18. Cost of revenue from operation is equal to rupees 3 lakhs. Cost of revenue from operation is rupees 3 lakhs. Inventory. Opening inventory is rupees 60,000. Closing inventory is rupees 40,000. Calculate inventory turnover ratio. Inventory turnover ratio. Inventory turnover ratio is equal to cost of revenue from operation divided by average inventory. Cost of revenue from operation is equal to 3 lakhs divided by average inventory is equal to 60,000 plus 40,000 divided by 2. So that the amount is 50,000. So we can cut 4 zeros. 6 5s are 30. 6 times is the answer. Cost of revenue from operation 3 lakhs. Opening inventory 60,000, closing inventory 40,000. Inventory turnover ratio is equal to cost of revenue from operation divided by average inventory. Cost of revenue from operation is equal to 3 lakhs divided by average inventory 60,000 plus 40,000 is equal to 1 lakh divided by 2 is equal to 50,000. So we can get 6 times is the answer. Then question number 19. Question number 19. Accounting reports prepared accounting report prepared according to the requirement of the user is dash. Accounting reports prepared according to required of user is special purpose report. And question number 20. Dash option is used to view trial balance from gateway of tally. Dash option is used to view trial balance from gateway of tally. The answer is gateway of tally. Gateway of tally gives report, gives display, gives trial balance. Gateway of tally, open report. Gateway of tally gives report, gives display, gives trial balance. This is the answer. 4 option is given. Out of this 4 options, the correct answer is gateway of tally gives report, then we open display, then open the trial balance. These are all the 20 questions. Dear students, already I gave 3 one-word question, accountancy one-word question. I send the video to all the students. So watch this. It's a third revision. So anybody need the previous question paper videos, I will send to you through WhatsApp account. So if anybody is not able to follow this question, you contact me. I am ready to explain. God bless you.